Yes, friends, now I have defined you another problem of maxima and minima. That is the example 5. Yes, in this example, find the minimum value of u is equal to x square plus y square plus z square subject to the conditions ax plus by plus cz is equal to 1, a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash z is equal to 1. Yes, okay. To solve this question, yes, solution. Yes, to solve this question, let us consider a function f. Yes, let us consider a function f which is defined as x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda 1 ax plus by plus cz minus 1 plus lambda 2 a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash z minus 1. Okay. Now for minima and maxima of f. Yes. For minima and maxima of f. Yes. We have del f by, yes, del f by del x is equal to 2x plus lambda 1a plus lambda 2a dash, yes, which is equal to 0, and del f by del y which is equal to 2y plus lambda 1b plus lambda 2b dash is equal to 0, and del f by del z which is equal to 2z plus lambda 1 c plus lambda 2 c dash is equal to 0. Let us, this equation number is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 equation. Yes, clear? Now we multiplying the equation number 1, 2 and 3 by x, y, z. Equation multiplying equation number 1. Let equation multiplying equation 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 by x, y, z respectively. Yes, and adding we get this 2x 2 times x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda 1 ax plus by plus cz plus lambda 2 a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash z is equal to 0. Let us equation number 4. Or you say that this is, here you defined as u, or this is 2 times of u plus lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 0. Equation number we defined that this is 5. Yes, okay. Because here x square y square plus z square is given as u, ax plus by plus cz is 1, and a dash 1, this is 1. So this can be written as 2u plus lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 0. Yes, clear? Now Now multiplying again. Yes. Okay. Now further multiplying. Okay. Now further multiplying. Further multiplying. One, 2 and 3 by A, B, C respectively. Okay, respectively, and adding we get, yes, then we get 2 times ax plus by plus cz plus lambda 1 a square plus b square plus c square plus lambda 2 a dash b dash c dash is equal to 0. Or we say that 2 times this is equal to ax plus by, this is 1, so 2 times plus lambda 1, you say that sigma of a square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus lambda 2 sigma of a dash plus b dash plus c dash. Yes, let us suppose that this is equation number 6. Okay, similarly, yes, similarly multiplying one, 2, 3 by a dash, b dash, c dash respectively, and adding we get, okay, then we get 2 times a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash z plus lambda 1 a dash b dash plus c dash plus lambda 2 a dash square plus b dash square plus c dash square is equal to 0. Yes, that is you say that this is equal to 1, so 2 times, yes, 2 plus lambda 1 sigma a dash plus lambda 2 sigma a dash square is equal to 0. Let us equation number, this is 7. Okay, now eliminating, okay, now eliminating lambda 1 lambda 2 from equation 5th, 6th and 7. Yes, the maximum or minimum value of u, the maximum or minimum value of u is the given determinant, yes, 2u, yes, first one is 1 1, and in equation number 6 this is 2 sigma a square sigma a dash, and here is again 2 sigma a dash and sigma a dash square. Yeah, this is equal to 0. Or you say that, or we say that this is equal to, this is u, 2 is common determinant, so u 1 sigma a square and sigma a dash 1 sigma a dash square, this is equal to 0. Yes, because dividing this c1 by 2 we get this one. Yes, now to identify, yes, next one, this is the your condition for the minimum or maximum of u1. Yes, completed. Now to identify whether a minimum or maximum value of u, yes, the value which is minimum or maximum, yes, to identify whether it is a minimum or maximum of u. Yes, so d2f, which is equal to dx del by del x plus dy del by del y plus dz del by del z whole square f. Yes, which is again is equal to sigma of del 2f by del x2 dx2 plus 2 times of sigma del 2f by del x del y dx dy, and which is equal to 2 dx square 2 dy square plus 2 dz square. Since del 2f by del x del y is equal to 0 etc. Okay, so and this is value, so this is 2 times of dx square plus dy square plus dz square. Yes, here you see that d2f is greater than 0, hence the value of u is minimum. The value of u is minimum. Okay, minimum value. Yes, the value of u is minimum value. Okay. Yes, I think you have cleared this question. Now next time I have defined you some other questions. Okay, friends. Yes, thank you.